real estate prices keep rising, and for the average person, buying a property is becoming nearly impossible. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't actually need to own property to profit from it. Vanguard created an ETF that gives you access to real estate across the entire US. No debt, no stress. So today, let's break it down and see if this might be a smarter move than buying a home right now. Part 1. What is VNQ? VNQ is an ETF that invests in real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. These are companies that own income-producing properties like office buildings, hotels, and other real estate assets. VNQ is designed to provide both income and long-term growth. So instead of buying one property, you're investing in hundreds of properties at once. Part 2. Key characteristics. VNQ stands for the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, launched in 2004 with the goal of closely tracking the MSCI US Investable Market Real Estate 2550 Index. As of now, the ETF manages approximately $34 billion in assets and features a very low expense ratio of just 0.13%. It also offers an attractive dividend yield of around 3.9% based on the trailing 12 months, paid quarterly, making it particularly appealing for income-focused investors. VNQ is designed to provide both income and diversification. Part 3. Top holdings. VNQ invests across a wide range of real estate sectors, including warehouses and logistics, cell towers, dividend REITs, public storage, hotels, and more. Its top holdings include major companies like Prologis, American Tower, Realty Income, Public Storage, and Equinix. So, you're not just buying houses, you're gaining exposure to data centers, infrastructure, and commercial real estate. Part 4. Performance. Historically, real estate has been one of the safest and best-performing asset classes in the world. VNQ, which focuses on this sector, has delivered around 7.2% annual returns since inception. However, it can be volatile, especially when interest rates rise or the real estate market slows. While it may not grow as fast as the S&P 500, VNQ pays you along the way with dividends and provides significant diversification, all without the upfront costs of buying a home. Part 5. Why invest in VNQ? Investors choose VNQ for a few key reasons. First, it provides strong passive income through consistent dividend payments. Second, it gives you exposure to real estate without the hassle of buying or managing property. And third, it adds diversification beyond traditional stocks. Overall, it's a powerful option for anyone looking for steady cash flow and long-term growth without the headaches of real estate ownership. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 every week into VNQ for 30 years, and it continues delivering its historical average return of around 7.2%, your portfolio could grow to over $470,000. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.